You lock your car doors every time you walk away. You might even have an alarm. You park in well-lit areas and hide your bags on the floor. You've taken every sensible precaution. But right now, as you read this, there is a single, glaring vulnerability sitting in your parked car. A vulnerability so obvious to criminals and so often overlooked by law-abiding citizens that it has become the #1 target for a smash and grab. It's not your stereo, your phone charger, or the loose change in your cup holder. It's your glove compartment. This isn't about a stolen owner's manual or a missing pack of tissues. The modern glove compartment has transformed from a quaint storage nook for driving gloves into a concentrated treasure chest of your most sensitive personal data and a direct gateway to far greater crimes. As a lawyer who has represented both victims of these crimes and, in earlier years, some of the individuals who committed them, I have seen the devastating domino effect that begins with a single shattered passenger window and a popped plastic latch. This article will detail, with uncompromising realism, the legal, financial, and personal risks you unwittingly harbor behind that little door. We will move beyond the basic advice of don't leave valuables in sight and delve into the sophisticated reasons why what you must keep in your car, your registration, your insurance, even your garage door opener, makes it a target, and the concrete, actionable steps you must take to protect yourself. The glove compartment's allure is multifaceted, operating on two distinct criminal timelines: the immediate, opportunistic grab and the calculated, long-term identity heist. The opportunistic thief is looking for quick cash or pawnable goods. What do people often stash in their glove boxes? Cash for parking or tolls, sunglasses, small electronics, and, most pivotally, firearms. In many states, the glove compartment is considered a legally permissible locked container for a weapon. This makes it the first place a thief checks. The theft of a firearm from a vehicle isn't just a property crime, it's a public safety crisis. That weapon immediately enters the black market, often used in subsequent violent crimes. As a lawyer, I've had to counsel families whose loved ones were victims of crimes committed with guns stolen from cars. The civil liability alone for the vehicle owner, depending on negligence and state statutes, can be catastrophic. But it is the second type of criminal, the one with a longer game in mind, who truly exploits the glove compartment's potential. Think of your car's registration and insurance documents as a cheat sheet to your life. They contain your full name, your home address, the exact make, model, and vehicle identification number (VIN) of your car, and often other personal details. For a criminal, this isn't just paper, it's a blueprint. Here is the chain reaction, step by step, as I've seen it play out in police reports and court documents. The smash and grab. Your window is broken, the glove box is rifled, registration and insurance are taken, the thief is gone in under 60 seconds. The return to the scene, your home. Now armed with your home address and knowing with certainty that you are not at home because your car is elsewhere, the thief has a prime opportunity for a burglary. They have a head start, as you will likely be dealing with police and glass repair for hours. The Phishing and Scam Foundation. With your full name, address, and vehicle details, they can craft highly convincing phishing emails or phone calls. Hello, this is your insurance company calling about the recent break-in to your 2023 Honda Accord, VIN ending in 1234. We need to verify your banking details for the glass claim. The legitimacy this information provides is powerful. The title fraud and cloning. With the VIN, a skilled fraudster can begin the process of creating a cloned vehicle title. They can sell your car on paper or create paperwork for a stolen vehicle matching yours, creating a legal and financial nightmare that can take years to untangle. The identity theft catalyst. Your name and address are the first two pieces of the puzzle for full-scale identity theft. Combined with data from other breaches, which are often sold in packages on the dark web, they can apply for credit, open accounts, and destroy your financial reputation. And then there are the other common glove compartment residents. That spare key to your house, it's a direct invitation. The garage door opener, it's a silent key that not only grants access, but often provides cover, allowing a thief to close the door behind them. The prescription bottle with your name and doctor on it, more data points for medical identity fraud. The legal landscape for victims is a treacherous maze. You are now a victim of a property crime, the car break-in. Potentially liable if your firearm was stolen and misused. Potentially a future victim of home burglary, and at the center of a looming identity fraud case. Navigating insurance claims, both auto and homeowners, requires meticulous documentation. Police reports are essential, But with tens of thousands of such crimes occurring daily, investigative resources are stretched thin. The burden of proof and the duty to mitigate damages falls heavily on you, the victim. So, what is the solution? It is a shift in mindset and a set of disciplined habits. The goal is not to make your glove compartment theft-proof, nothing is, but to make it data-neutral and value-neutral. Your actionable defense plan, the purge. Remove everything from your glove compartment that is not legally required to be in the vehicle. This includes spare keys, garage door openers, insurance cards, keep a digital version on your phone, which is legally acceptable in most jurisdictions, and any mail or documents with personal information. The lockbox. For the items you are legally required to transport in your car, namely the vehicle registration and, if you must, a firearm, invest in a small, sturdy, bolted-down safe within the vehicle. It should be secured to the frame of the seat or the vehicle's chassis. The glove compartment lock is flimsy and universal. A dedicated safe is a real deterrent. The thief wants a quick score, not a prolonged, noisy struggle. The digital shift. Contact your insurance provider and confirm their policy on digital proof of insurance. Every major provider offers a mobile app with a digital ID card. Use it. For your registration, while you must keep the physical copy in the car, you can obscure the address. Some states allow it. Check your local laws. As a temporary measure, consider making a photocopy of your registration and using a black marker to redact your home address, keeping the original in your locked box. The discipline. This is the hardest part. It must become as automatic as putting on your seatbelt. When you exit your car, you visually confirm the glove box is empty of anything sensitive. The center console and door pockets are included in this ritual. One question haunts me from my years of dealing with these cases, a single point of failure I see again and again. What one item, currently sitting in your glove compartment or center console, would provide a criminal with the most direct path not just to your property, but to your identity and your family's safety? Pause for a moment and answer that honestly. The answer is the first thing you should remove today. Protecting yourself is no longer just about hiding tangible valuables. It is about understanding that your personal data has tangible street-level value. The glove compartment is the weakest link in your chain of personal security because it concentrates that data in a soft, easily accessed target. By rethinking this small space, you fortify your entire life against a cascade of legal, financial, and personal violations. The simplicity of the fix stands in stark contrast to the profound complexity of the crimes it prevents. The law can offer recourse after the fact, but it cannot give you back your time, your peace of mind, or the security of your home. The best case you will ever argue is the one you make to yourself to take these preventative steps today. Your car is an extension of your domain. Start governing it with the seriousness it demands. If you found this detailed breakdown of a critical, overlooked risk valuable, consider this. We delve into topics like this every week, translating complex legal realities into actionable life strategies. Subscribe to the channel to ensure you don't miss the next essential defense. Your security is a habit. Let's build it together.